Hey there, you might be wondering how I got here. Well, let me show you. Follow me.
Hey MTV, welcome to our crib. This is our lovely Dodge Maxi van. As you can see, it's fully equipped. You know, we have our driving area, our living area, our kitchen, and our bedding space for 4 people. So we're just going to take you on a short little tour. Show you everything it's got. So first off, I'm just going to take you through our living area. As you can see, there's loads of space. We have seating for 4 people. We have these 2 rotating front seats. They're also used for the driver and the co-pilot. Just rotate them back. And then we have this great 2-person bench made ourselves. We've added cushions. We've added 2 seat belts for when we're on the road. Which also has loads of storage space on the bottom. So here we have space for all of our shoes, which we just tuck inside, so it's nice and tidy. We have boxes that we can just tuck under for our food and for just anything really. We mainly use it for food. And then here on top of the driving area we just have loads of it's just a massive space for overhead storage. Right now we're mainly using it to keep all of our gear, clothes, all our camping equipment that we're not using. But yeah, it's great. There's tons of space to stick in whatever for 4 people. And yeah, it's just overall very, very useful. And yeah, then for the drivers, we've also just added storage space at the top here, for sunglasses, phones. So finally, we also have a foldable table that we take out and tuck in, but we use it all the time for just when we have dinner together, playing cards, having beers, or anything really. But yeah, it's just super useful. Cool, so this is our sleeping area. As you can see, we have a bunk bed setup. We have space for 4 people. We have 2 double beds, and they each come with 2 pillows and a full duvet and sheets and everything you need. Not only that, but each area also has its own independent lighting that can just be turned on and off with switches that are next to the bottom bed. The lights up here can be dimmed, and we have LED lights under the top bed, so just makes it nice and cozy. On top of that, next to each bed we have loads of storage space. As you can see all along here, we have a kind of shelf along the top bed, and then in the bottom we have just a load of a kind of shelf space. And then finally, for the sleeping area, we also have this curtain, which we usually put up during the night because it just provides, it blocks out most of the light, so it really helps you sleep, and then it also provides some level of thermal insulation.
So we have a complete electrical system where you can charge your phones, anything USB, each with its independent fuse, and also your computer and anything that's connected to mains. Thanks to a transformer we have at the back here. We've got a huge battery at the back here that's connected to the solar panels. And this is the controller for the solar panels and the battery. That basically gives you the state of the battery. So now we're moving on to the kitchen. Wasn't very far from the electronics, but here we are. A complete kitchen with utensils, cutlery, and we've got bowls in here for 4 people. Everything is suited for 4 people. And so this is essentially it. So I guess we'll start with maybe the fridge. So this is the fridge is plugged into the mains. Usually we will run it during the day while the solar panels are charging the battery, and at night you just unplug it. It'll keep cold really well. This is the inside of the fridge. It's quite large. We've actually remodeled this whole kitchen. We've done it ourselves and with the help of a friend. So it was made for this fridge. Here is the sink, complete with an electrical pump. So well, works perfectly. We put this here just so it's flush and we can use the whole surface. So down here we've got the stove. It's a gas stove. put it down there, just take it off and plug it into the gas. This is available all over Chile and Argentina. It's quite easy. We've got more storage space down here for pots and pans, and down here we've got an extra gas stove for camping, drinkable water, a clean water tank for the sink, and a dirty water tank that we just empty out at certain locations once it's full. Yeah, and to finish off, we've got a ventilation fan because you wouldn't want to be cooking some chorizo or anything quite smoky in the kitchen.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring you back to the back of the van now to show you all the tools and extras we have in the van. So you can open it from here, you can access the rear area. Back here we have a bunch of tools. Basically all the essentials you'll need and more, so power drills, nuts and bolts, anything you'd need. And then all of the car essentials we also have on this side. All of our oils, jumper cables, that kind of stuff. We also have a full tire replacement kit. We have both of the tires on here and then another one up on the roof. Okay, and finally, we've got a few extras that we're happy to throw into the van. Got a acoustic guitar here. We've also got with us full camping equipment for 4 people, so it also tent, all the sleeping mats, and camping stoves, and all the other equipment. The line that we use to hold the rear wheel, we also use that as a slack line, that's really good. And finally, we've got some LED lights, super easy to use, solar powered and rechargeable.
So yeah, that was the tour of our van. It's really, it's a great piece of equipment. We certainly love driving around in it, sleeping around in it. And if you do have any questions, if there's anything you want to know more about, feel free to message us. We'll be happy to answer any doubts you have.